Welcome to Bite-Sized Cocktails, where AI meets mixology. Let's craft something incredible. You're adding ice to every cocktail. But what if the ice made your drink better, not worse? This 1-minute trick upgrades any cocktail, and it starts in your freezer. Want to impress your guests without memorizing dozens of cocktail recipes or spending hours perfecting technique? Today's AI-approved upgrade uses what you already have, starting with ice. Welcome to Bite-Sized Cocktails. We remix your favorite drinks with AI, test smarter ideas, and simplify mixology. If you want pro-level flavor without becoming a bartender, you're in the right place. Let's talk about one of the biggest enemies of a great cocktail: dilution. You make something amazing only for it to turn watery as the ice melts. It ruins the experience. But what if your ice didn't just water things down? What if it actually made the drink better? That's where this AI cocktail hack comes in. Instead of using plain ice, we asked, how can ice add flavor? The answer: freeze ingredients that match the cocktail: coconut water, cold brew, ginger beer, grapefruit juice, anything that adds flavor as it melts. We tested it in a mojito, swapping regular ice with coconut water cubes. The result? A drink that got better as it sat. Coconut smoothed the lime, mellowed the mint, all without blanding it out. And it's not just for mojitos. Try cold brew cubes in an espresso martini, grapefruit juice cubes in a Paloma, ginger beer cubes in a whiskey ginger. You get it. The best part? It takes almost no effort. Just freeze leftover mixers or juices in an ice tray. Pop them in your next drink. Done. No skills, no fancy gear, just smarter sipping powered by AI curiosity in your freezer. Want to go next level? Add fruit or herbs inside the cubes. A mint leaf frozen in lime juice? Looks amazing, tastes better, and your guests will love it. This is how you upgrade your home bar, not with rare spirits or $80 tools, but with smart swaps, clever tricks, and AI-tested ideas. Subscribe for more cocktail hacks, flavor upgrades, and smarter drinks every week. And if you want to build videos like this without filming anything, check out the tools we use below. We use ElevenLabs for voice and Pictory for visuals. Want to create your own AI-powered voiceovers? Check out ElevenLabs using the link below and get started today. This is an affiliate link. If you use it, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel. Cheers to better drinks and smarter mixology. Thanks for joining us for another AI-crafted cocktail. If you had fun, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more bite-sized mixology experiments coming every week. Got a crazy cocktail idea or want to challenge the AI? Drop it in the comments. We might just feature it in the next video. Cheers!